In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening balance in Zoho Books. An opening balance is the amount a customer already owed you, or the credit you owed them when you first set up your books or migrated from another system. Editing it is useful when you discover a data entry mistake or receive updated information from your prior records, because this figure feeds straight into your accounts receivable and reports. Take a moment to verify you're in the correct organization and working with the right customer before you change anything. Start by going to books.zoho.com. Once your dashboard loads, look over to the left sidebar, click Sales. This takes you to the Sales module where all customer and receivable related items live. Now click Customers. You'll see the list of all customers in your account along with their current outstanding balances. Find the customer you need, then click to open their profile page. Inside the customer view, look for the option labeled View Opening Balance. This link shows the balance that was carried over when you began using Zoho Books for this customer, separate from any invoices you've created since. Click View Opening Balance, then choose Edit. You're now in the Edit screen. Enter the correct opening balance amount. If you keep multiple currencies, confirm the currency shown matches the customer's currency. If a date or description field is visible, use it to match the balance to your migration date or to note why you adjusted it. Small details like these help you or your accountant understand the change later. After updating the amount, click Save. Zoho Books will apply the change immediately. You should see the customer's outstanding balance update in their profile, and the adjustment will roll through to related reports such as the customer statement and aging. If something doesn't look right, retrace the steps and review the number you entered. Remember, opening balances are meant to reflect totals brought in from your previous system. They're not a substitute for creating invoices or credit notes for current activity. That's it. You've successfully edited a customer's opening balance in Zoho Books. Keep your source documents handy and update only when you're confident the figure is correct. Accurate opening balances ensure your receivables, cash flow forecasts, and period-end reports remain trustworthy as you continue managing your sales and collections. One final note, depending on your user role and any fiscal year lock settings, you might need admin access to make this change. When in doubt, coordinate with your accountant so the audit trail and reconciliation stay clean and consistent.